how to find email settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find email settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now just click this profile here in the bottom corner, and now click these three lines, and here we'll find settings and privacy, and now just click manage account, and here we'll find email, and as you see here you can add your email. Just add any email you want and then click this one, send code, and that's how to find email settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.